With all these great decorative stitches in the Pfaff sewing machines, you have got to take the time to stitch them out. Let me show you just a couple easy ways to quickly get through these stitches. You've got 150 stitches in this machine. You will want to follow which foot it recommends, because some of the decorative stitches require like 1A and some require 2A, which is without the dual feed. So make sure you do change it. The other thing is when you finish one stitch, you can just arrow up. There's the next stitch, next stitch, next stitch. So you don't have to dial in, okay, 61 and then 62. So those are a quick little tip along the way. Next, I'll usually just use the edge of my presser foot as I kind of make multiple rows as I sew. Yes, you can use your foot control, but tell you the truth, I like the start-stop button. So as you stitch, all you have to do is enjoy watching it stitch out, follow the last row, and when you're done, touch the scissors, because then it will finish the stitch, it will lock it, and it will cut it. Now, if that was going too fast, remember you have the speed control to drop that down and make it not go so fast. And before you know it, you will have a nice sampling of each decorative stitch. Now, if you really want to be teacher's pet, take the stitch, stitch maybe an inch or two with the normal settings, then adjust, for example, the width, then make it longer. You can make it shorter. You can have 3, 4 different versions of this stitch if you wanted to continue on. I've had students even write down what each of those settings were for each time they changed it. So not only did their stitch book have the default settings, they had other choices and a quick way to reference what type of stitch or other settings could be done and change the look of the original stitch. This machine has a nice amount of stitches, so it wouldn't take you too long. And look, even variegated thread does give you that little extra pop if you love that colorful look for your decorative stitches.